Hey guys, in this extension, you can see all the features you'll be getting.
Watch the video till the end so you know which features you can actually use.
You can select all and download at once, but I'd recommend doing it one by one.
Now let me show you how the download works. See, it's extracting too. You can check right away whether it's corrupted or not. All the images from your blogs will come into this folder. Summarizing, satisfying, LT text, blog content, comments, posts, SEO. Everything will come in one single zip. You can also see the HTML preview in this. If your data gets lost or corrupted, just paste the MD file directly. If you want this extension, then go to this link.